Have you ever felt like your phone just gets you? Like it knows what you need before you even swipe? That's not science fiction anymore. Samsung's One UI 8 is making that feeling real. From smart lock screens to mind-blowing multitasking tricks and even weather that feels alive, this update isn't just cosmetic, it's transformational. And if you're using a Galaxy S24 or S23, your turn might be closer than you think. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with your fellow tech heads, and subscribe for more updates that actually matter. Let's kick things off with something subtle but genius. Samsung's revamped lock screen, now updates in real time, showing active phone calls, sleep or driving mode, and more. Imagine not having to unlock your phone to check whether your call connected or how long you've been talking. Just a glance and you're in the loop. It even previews upcoming actions and ongoing tasks, like a personal dashboard built into your screen. But here's where it gets wild. Third-party app integration. Yes, Android 16's live activities are coming to One UI 8. That means apps like Google Maps or Uber Eats will soon show live ETAs and delivery statuses right on the lock screen. No app switching, no unlocking. You just look, and it's there. It's like having a little assistant in your pocket. Now let's talk about the My Files app, which honestly used to be kind of a pain. In One UI 8, it got a silent but powerful upgrade. Downloads are now grouped by the apps they came from. So if you snagged a contract from Gmail or a meme from WhatsApp, you can filter instantly by tapping the app icon. It's ridiculously efficient and a game changer if you're always drowning in files. Still with me? Good, because it gets better. That frosted glass design, yeah, it's not just a pretty face. The entire sharing experience has been redesigned. There are now two separate tabs, Personal and Secure Folder, so you can send sensitive files into your private vault without juggling apps. The transition animations, smooth like butter. And Quick Share, cleaner layout, better privacy controls, and previews of file sizes before you send. Multitaskers, listen up, split screen just got smarter. Drag any app to the edge and boom, you've got a fluid dual window setup with zero lag. Pop-up apps, now with rounded corners and better transparency. Even the tiny handle to control floating apps is finally easy to reach. Samsung clearly listened to user feedback here, and it shows. And here's something you didn't expect, predictive back gestures. Yep, swipe back and you get a preview of the previous screen before you even commit. It's fast, intuitive, and adds a polished feel to your everyday usage. Camera fans, you're not left out. One UI 8 adds gesture support in the camera app. Swipe up or down to quickly switch lenses or bring up controls. Great for single-handed use or when you're trying to catch a moment fast. Let's talk privacy. The secure folder is now even more secure. Apps inside can be hidden completely, locked tighter, and stopped from running in the background. It's like you've got a private vault built into your phone, with full control over what goes in, what stays hidden, and what can run. And for the social types, Autocast is a new feature that lets you stream audio to multiple devices and invite friends to join in using a simple QR code. Hosting a party? Boom. Everyone's synced to your playlist with zero setup. Now here's where the magic really hits: live weather animations on your lock screen. Picture this, you glance at your phone and it's literally showing clouds drift across or raindrops falling in real time. It's beautiful, and somehow makes the weather app feel alive. Add bigger widgets, animated clocks, and dynamic wallpapers that shift with time, and suddenly your phone isn't just smart, it's personal. Under the hood, One UI 8 adds smarter battery protection. You can customize charging behaviors overnight, helping preserve battery health long-term. The gallery apps had a cleanup too, giving faster access to recent content, wrapped in that cool frosted design, yes, even in dark mode. So when is all of this coming? The One UI 8 beta is already live for Galaxy S25 users, and if you're rocking a Galaxy S24 or S23, rumors suggest the beta could reach you by late June or early July. Nothing's official yet, but Samsung's already testing Beta 2 internally, and prepping for Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 too. Translation: the rollout is closer than ever, and could hit sooner than you expect. If you want early access, open your Samsung Members app, keep it updated, and look out for that beta banner. Just remember, it's beta software. Bugs are possible, so back up your data if your phone is your daily driver. So what feature are you most excited about? The multitasking revamp, lock screen smarts, or the sleek animations? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're hyped for. If this video helped you out or got you excited for what's coming, hit that like button, share it with someone who's still on One UI 6, and subscribe so you never miss a Samsung update that actually makes a difference. This is Sam, signing off. Catch you in the next one.